By using stored renewable energy, ABB's battery energy storage as a service can help you cut carbon, it helps you cut the emissions, and it helps you fight climate change for a truly sustainable future. Renewable energy generation like solar, wind is intermittent, meaning that energy production doesn't always align with demand. In other words, the sun doesn't always shine and the wind doesn't always blow. With BESS as a service, excess energy produced during the high generation can be stored in batteries during off-peak times when electricity rates are lower and used during peak hours when rates are higher. It also boosts resilience by providing reliable backup power and supporting grid stability. Lastly, the BESS as a service model can enable decentralised energy systems, empowering communities, commercial buildings, industry and heavy industry to manage their own energy needs sustainably. Instead of relying entirely on centralised grids, local energy storage systems can be deployed behind the meter, leading to a more resilient, localised energy solution that is less vulnerable to grid failures and reduces transmission losses.
One thing about BESS systems is that they're extremely capital intensive, and typically this would be a large upfront cash outlay for a customer. With BESS as a service, we have a financing partner and we resolve that concern for our customers and their CFOs. In addition, CFOs are very concerned with risk management. One of the concerns a customer would typically have is, am I going to have the power capacity? Am I going to have the duration? Am I going to have the performance out of the BESS system that I expect? And if I don't, how do I manage that risk? And how am I going to mitigate that? We handle all of that for our customers. In addition, the offering is set up to deliver a day one return to the customers, which the CFOs will be extremely happy with. On top of that, they're also making progress on their sustainability and net zero carbon goals.
Another often overlooked sustainability benefit is the lifecycle management of batteries. In the BESS as a service model, battery systems are managed and they're maintained by ABB's electrification service. This means that it ensures that the batteries are used to their full potential and are recycled or repurposed at the end of their useful life. A service model allows for a more effective management, repair, recycle, and promoting of a circular economy principle.